only God can stop ONPASSIVE. No one is yet born to have the ability to stop ONPASSIVE. All right? Only God. And no man and no woman are born yet to stop ONPASSIVE, because it is for the people, it is because of people, and it's the only good hope that we have. On the other side, most of people are just in it for their pockets or some fame or lame popularity at any cost. I don't care about that. I'm going to remain loyal and bold. I'm going to do it or die. We're just about to roll out life-changing products. That is not going to change. And we are not going to get into the nonsense